In the later phases of this project, I was able to borrow a big computer that has Adobe InDesign on it, so I used that for the layout of the book. I could have done it in maybe Scribus or even Pages or Microsoft Word, but I had this, so I learned just enough to do what I'm showing you. You create master pages that establish where the page numbers are going to go and the font and size. And let's look at an example page. And look a little closer. The artwork was exported from GIMP as TIFF files. And I'll show you how I put those in. I'll take that away and put it back. You use the place command, find the TIFF file, and put it in. And my way of getting it in the middle of the page was to use the fit content to, or center content command. Looks great, except notice the page number is now missing. So my way of fixing that was using the effects transparency function and change the blending mode from normal to multiply. And voila, the page number shows through the white. There are probably other ways to do that, but that's how I did it. So there's the artwork and the page number. But most of the pages also had an invisible layer of type with just the title of the page or the chapter heading. There you see the curving path of totality. The reason for that is to create a table of contents. So each of those hidden text layers is assigned a style, which the ones I made I called page title and chapter title. And that's a page title. Here's a chapter title. And these layers are invisible except to InDesign. There, I gave that the chapter title style. And the nice thing about that is that InDesign can be told to go look for text with assigned styles, and from that automatically create a table of contents with page numbers. Very helpful if I want to rearrange pages. It'll renumber them automatically. There are some other text pages, particularly these tables at the end. And making these up, I was very careful, triple checking the numbers, making sure I had the number of digits after the decimal point I wanted. I have a lot of respect for people who make tables professionally. When it was all done, I saved the entire thing, or output the entire thing, in the format Amazon Createspace wants, which is PDF X1A. And that was the file I uploaded to Amazon. So in summary, the idea was to get a book done in time for the 2017 eclipse. It was going to be based on this idea of short chapters made out of hand-drawn pencil sketches, because to me a pencil sketch expresses the instant that an idea becomes understood. It was going to be in the 8.5 by 11 format. It was going to be sold for $10 on Amazon, and I got all that done. Was it worth doing? Yes. This book is selling some copies. It sold some copies right after it came out. It's not going to pay for my retirement, but it was still worth doing because it's a finished product. I was very meticulous about all the details. I'm willing to stand behind everything in this book. The cover looks nice. It makes a good calling card. It looks great on any desk or coffee table or waiting room table, so I can take it anywhere. And in fact, it has already opened a couple of opportunities for me that have nothing to do with selling books. So it was definitely worth doing. So I hope you will pick it up. Sky to Space, Astronomy Beyond the Basics with Comparisons, Ratios, and Proportions, $9.95 on Amazon. And that's the story of how I put this one together. Thanks for watching.